Can you actually explain a little bit more, maybe take a step backward, is how does AI impact infrastructure today? I know we kind of covered a lot of it, like the AI is building more apps, but can you go into more into like the impact of AI in terms of not just building apps, but other vulnerabilities or security issues it might bring in? Because I'll give one example is AI obviously is writing a lot of the code, right? But doesn't anybody know where that code is coming from?
Yes.
Right? That's
Fast
one
and
example.
insecure.
Fast and insecure, fast and wrong, because we don't know where it's writing that from. There could already be vulnerabilities in that code that is being now taken in
Yeah.
because it did it, it built it, we compiled it, works fine.
Yeah.
So could you touch upon that a little bit?
Yeah, that's exactly where the inflection point for InvigRed is. Because that is happening and beginning to happen more and more. Like you see, I think there were a couple of recent deleted the entire production database. Wrong configuration. There was another case about privilege escalation happening and taking over the entire cluster on for AI, right? I think it was the AI Redshift, Red Hat's OpenShift AI had a vulnerability which could be exploited for this purpose. So you can see that it is this problem is.
So that's a problem.
It's going to be, and it's going to be massive. It's going to be 100x worse.
Yeah, exactly.
Than what we even had before.
Yeah.
And those slow-moving, complex, manual processes are not going to help. People-driven processes are not going to help. We have to match it with speed, with AI. That is what we do.
I heard Anthropic CEO recently mention that AI very soon is going to do, it's writing code, but it's hybrid. Very soon, Anthropic will be ready. I think he's mentioned like a couple of months to do entirely everything, right? It's not just like, hey, there's a problem, code it. It's like you design the requirement, it'll build, design, create, debug, launch, everything, thereby causing even more problems. Let's dissect that a little bit more. Like, where is InvigRed coming into this, and why is InvigRed even more important, or a solution like InvigRed is more important, and how does it prevent AI from doing some of these things? Like you mentioned, it could just delete code, or it could go zombie, and there could be biases inside AI as well. How is InvigRed kind of controlling that and not becoming a victim? Because so those are our algorithms, right? Those are how AI today, correct? If AI today has made us all into code reviewers from code writers, but today if you start with AI coding, if you've only done vibe coding, there is MIT research that proves that with AI it has become, our brains are changing. They aren't really evolving because you haven't gone through the ranks of learning by doing by hand. You're just relying on somebody else to give you the code, correct? So in the same fashion, an infrastructure, if it gets built, you're going to lose that expertise, right? If you are relying on. So you think of InvigRed as someone who has that expertise every time you're trying to build that infrastructure. We grew from the pre-AI 2021 days with the same philosophy of doing fast and secure. So the engines were already built, and now we have our agents, which have further compressed and interfacing with their agents, coding agents. So it is as if we were born for the AI world with the expertise of the older world.